Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix profile picture not showing in Messenger app or profile photo is not showing in Messenger app. So if your Messenger app having this issue, profile picture is not showing and this is how the profile picture looks in your Messenger app, then here you can follow the fixes. Well, this problem can generally happen due to following reasons. It could be due to app cache issue, outdated Messenger app, internet issues, or it could be possible that user have deactivated their account. So here how to fix it. You can clear Messenger app cache and data. You can check for Messenger app update in Play Store or App Store. Check your internet connection. Make sure it is stable and working properly. Fix 4 is to reinstall app. Fix 5 is to check account status. If a user picture is a gray, then it could be possible that they have deactivated their account. So here how to follow these fixes. So the first fix was to clear the Messenger app cache and data. So tap and hold the Messenger app icon and then click on app info. Now first tap on force stop and confirm it. Then click on storage usage and then click on clear cache. Now go back and then launch the Messenger app and check if a problem is solved or not. If not, then also tap on clear data and then click on delete to confirm. Then you can go back, launch the Messenger app and check. Next fix is to check for Messenger app update. So open Play Store, tap on search for Messenger and then tap on it. And if you find any update option available for this app, then update it. And after updating the Messenger app, then you can go ahead, launch the Messenger app and check if a problem is solved or not. Next fix is to check your internet connection. Now please check and make sure that your internet is working properly. You can also try to switch internet connection. If you're connected to Wi-Fi, then switch to mobile data and then check. And if you're connected to mobile data, then switch to Wi-Fi and then check. Next solution is to check account status. So if a user picture is showing in gray color, then it could be possible that they have deactivated their account. So please check and find that they have deactivated their account or not. And the last solution is to reinstall the Messenger app. So tap and hold the Messenger app icon, then click on uninstall and then again click on uninstall to confirm. And then just restart your device once, and after your device restart, open Play Store, tap on search for Messenger and tap on it and then click on reinstall button to reinstall it, and then you can go ahead, launch the Messenger app, log into your account and then check if your problem is solved or not. So I hope by following these fixes you can easily solve profile picture not showing in Messenger app. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.